G'day, welcome to Lodge Shop. Today we've got my, 80 something, I think it's a KE Ford Laser, Australian made car, made in Homebush, Sydney, New South Wales. These cars, very good little cars, Aussie made. Today we're going to have a look at this problem I've just noticed with it. What's happening is because the roof is cut off the car, the whole turret's cut off. After, 15 years, I can see some fatigue happening here. So what I want to do is have a look, jack the car up, have a look, see, hopefully I can put a brace in underneath, weld some sort of brace in, and just to stabilize that, because it's a good little car, it still runs, so why not keep it going a little bit longer. You can hear it squeaking, and maybe you might even see some movement on the camera. So let's get the thing jacked up and have a look underneath. I was jacking it up, I could feel that crack opening a little bit. So that's the weak point. We'll have a look what it's like underneath. So there's the monocoque chassis. Rail goes along there, all the way up under there, up under the front. It kind of looks all right. Gee, a lot of junk in here. Let's see if we can get this clip out. There we go. The body is splitting apart, as we can see. So here, this bit, it's all together still. All right. So I think what we'll do is, you can see where all the spot welds have broken there. There. It's all cracked. So I think I'll just try and clamp it back together and just put a few tacks on it and see what happens. Okay, so the welding's done. I'll be the first to admit I'm not the world's most professional welder, but I've got some good tacks all the way along. Right, past where the problems were, welding actually got a bit better up here. Okay, couple of holes blew in, one there, and then trying to work with this here, it just kept falling apart. So That'll be it for the moment. If it gets worse, I'll put a patch over this. All good. We'll just give it a quick touch up of paint. Give it a bit of protection for what it's worth, which isn't a lot. Let's see. There we go. Nice lot of paint in there. Oh, beautiful. Like a new car. Like brand new. I did find another piece at the front here, which I didn't bother to film. I was having a lot of problems with the welder, starting and stopping. It's got a faulty relay inside it. Here we go. Beautiful. Look at that. You wouldn't even know. All right. Right, now test drive. All looks okay at this stage. Time will tell. I thought that would be enough, but I've then had a look at the driver's side of the car and we've got a lot more worse damage. As you can see, it's all cracking and tearing apart along here. Body seams coming apart here as well. So I don't think just patching it up like that's going to be much chop. Plus the welder just seems to go straight through. Anyway, so what I'm going to have to do is brace it up. So what I've discovered is it may potentially be a pretty easy and cool fix. Basically, I have found that with a bit of fettling, I can get this pipe to go into here and also in here. So the plan is to cut 2 lengths of pipe. Okay, and basically brace the car like this. So let's get into it. Let's cut some pipe and fit it all together. Okay, so I've got my 2 poles cut. So the idea is you should be able to just slide it up into here and then down into the front, pull it forward a bit. And we're locked in. Go and do the other side. There we go. Alright, so let's have a look so far. Got the bar in, the front. Looks like there's good surface to weld to everywhere. There's the other end. What I'll do is just bash that around the pole, and we've got the same on the other side as well. So I've ground all the way around, nice clean metal, felted in around the pipe as well. So it should be pretty grippy. Alright, let's see how she welds up. Okay, well, we have all the welding done. Good as I can get it. I found it quite tricky because I'm welding to a really thick galvanized pipe. I did grind it back, but I'm welding onto the car metal, which is old and rusty, and a lot of the times it would blow through. I got a few good welds in there, I think. And on the other side, this side's a bit sketchier. There's really only one good weld there and another bit on the other side. So as you can see, it just blows holes. It's really, really hard to do. So without any further ado, let's finish the job off with a nice thick coat of paint. There we go. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Looks like a factory job now. Get in under here. Oh, let it run in. Look at it frying. It's still hot. Underneath. Oh, fantastic. All right. Well, that's that job finished. Good way to kill a few hours, so who cares? Had fun. Got to practice my welding. Every time you get a little bit better and a little bit better, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, time for a test drive. I think a success. It's all pretty solid. Anyway, hopefully that'll brace it, make it a bit stronger, so it won't keep shaking itself and tearing itself to bits. Not a bad job, and a bit of fun as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, see you next time on Lod Shop. Bye.